What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 1 Low in the Shattered Backboard colorway. I know in the US, these probably dropped a few months ago, but here in Canada, they finally dropped last week. These dropped for $90 USD or 120 Canadian dollars, and the official colorway for this shoe is black, white, and starfish. Though not officially tied to the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard high, the sneaker community has given this shoe the same nickname because of the color palette used on this shoe. And unlike the Shattered Backboard highs where the entire shoe was done in leather, in this case this is done in a combination of leather and nubuck. So diving straight into the shoe, as we start off with the toe box, here we have this starfish or orange colored nubuck, and similar to all your other Jordan 1s, we have all these perforations found in this section. Surrounding the edges of the toe box and running up the center area of the shoe where the eyelets are, here we have this black nubuck. And then as we move on to the mid panel of the shoe, here we have this pebbled white leather, which unfortunately feels pretty stiff to the touch. And while the pebbled look of the leather makes it look like at least that it's pretty high quality, unfortunately it is pretty plasticky. Overlaid on top of this, here we have this black Nike swoosh, which is done in black patent leather. And then the remainder of the back end of the shoe is all done in this orange nubuck, and it's finished off with the Air Jordan Wings logo embroidered in orange. As for the laces, so these come with your standard flat style black laces, and then underneath this we have this padded nylon tongue, which has the Jumpman logo at the very top in white, along with the numbers 2, 3 embroidered in the middle in orange. Pulling out the insoles, so nothing special here, this is your standard black Jordan brand insole, and we have this orange Jumpman on the heel. So the upper of these Jordan 1 lows sits atop this white colored midsole, and encapsulated underneath the heel but not visible to the eye, we have a Nike Airsole unit. Turning these guys over to the bottom, here we have your standard Air Jordan 1 outsole. So this is entirely done in orange. We have this circular pivot point on the forefoot, and it's finished off with Nike branding right in the center. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and these guys fit pretty much true to size. So for me, I picked these up in a size 10 and they fit me great. So whatever your true size is, I'd recommend sticking with that same size for these guys. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so while the materials on this shoe weren't the best, they were a little bit stiff. Aside from that, once you break them in, these are going to be perfectly fine for just everyday casual use. I wouldn't expect anything from a softness and plushness standpoint. You're not going to get any of that with this shoe. However, like most of your Jordan 1s, you're going to have a ton of ground feel, you're going to feel very stable, and they're pretty much the perfect casual shoe to wear every day. So with all that being said, now let me lace up these Shattered Backboard Jordan 1 lows, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Visually speaking at least, this color scheme is very nice. Especially with Halloween coming right around the corner, these Jordan 1 lows are going to look amazing during the season. But unfortunately, the materials used on this shoe I was pretty disappointed in. And even compared to some of the other colored Jordan 1 lows that I picked up, I felt like these ones were even a little bit worse than those. However, for the price point of 90 US or 120 Canadian dollars, which unfortunately is, I guess, considered cheap in today's world, it's probably Jordan Brand's way of saying you get what you pay for, which again is a bit of an unfortunate fact. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these Shattered Backboard Jordan 1 lows. Did you guys find that your pair, the quality was a bit lacking? Or maybe it just could have been my specific pair? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram at sgo8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.